My first recommendation as far as anchoring goes is always to look for a permanent mooring buoy, right? That's the safest. They're installed, deep into the sand, and there's in a place already where there's not coral reefs, and so it's already safe. So you're not always going to have that option, but specifically in Bocas, there are a lot of places where they do exist. Number two, if that's not an option, is to look for a sand patch, but then get in the water on snorkel if there's more than one person. Get in the water on snorkel and place the anchor manually. I mean, that ensures that it's in a patch that's safe, and you can visually look to see, is the rope, if the wind changes or the current changes, is the rope going to slide around and hit anything? That's where you're going to get the best accuracy. And then third, if that's not an option, is to really look for a large sand patch and make sure you throw the anchor right in the middle of that.